If you've lost access to your Epic Games account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to attempt recovery. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website and navigate to the login page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your account information. Input the email address associated with your Epic Games account. Ensure that you enter it correctly to receive any recovery emails. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Epic Games with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. If you still can't find it, you may need to try other recovery options. Step 4. Contact Epic Games support. If you're unable to reset your password through email, visit the Epic Games support page. Submit a request for account recovery, providing as much information as possible, such as your account details, purchase history, and any linked accounts. Step 5. Follow up on your request. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for a response from Epic Games support. They may ask for additional information to verify your identity, so be prepared to provide it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Epic Games support for further assistance.